Hello everyone, today we will start chapter matrix of class 12th. Okay, मैट्रिक्स स्टार्ट करने से पहले इसकी डेफिनेशन से स्टार्ट करते हैं. मैट्रिक्स, व्हाट इज द मैट्रिक्स? मैट्रिक्स इज एन अरेंजमेंट ऑफ नंबर्स और फंक्शंस in rectangular array, rectangular way, then that arrangement is called matrix. One word is here, numbers or function. Function means sin x, cos x, any type x square numbers, 1 2 3 any numbers. Numbers means यहाँ complex number भी हो सकता है. It is denoted by capital letters A, B, C, etc. and its element is denoted by in small letters. Now matrix I will write here numbers way 1 2 -5 2 3 4. This rectangular arrangement of number is called matrix. It is denoted by A, B and C. I can write here functions also, sin x, x square, 2 3. This is also called matrix. Now in the matrix we have the arrangement in the horizontal and the vertical way. These horizontal lines are called, this is the first line horizontal, this is called first row, and this is second line, this is called second row, and these are called vertical lines, then these are called columns. This is first column, this one is second, and this one is third. Now one more is here for the 1 mark question, order of a matrix. Order of a matrix is the number of rows cross number of columns. This is called order. In the first matrix A, then order is here, number of rows is here 2 and number of columns is here 3, then its order is 2 into 3. Now in the second matrix, here 2 rows and 2 columns, then order is 2 into 2, and in generally order of matrix is written in the form of m into n, where m is number of rows, n is number of column, and mn is called number of elements in the matrix. Now see here, 2 into 3 6, then we have the 6 elements in the matrix. 2 into 2 4, we have 4 elements in the matrix here. Clear it? Okay, now you can note. Now in the next, generally matrix is denoted by the capital letters of English alphabet, and this is in the format of A equal to Aij, means ith row jth column. Okay, in this way elements are written by A11, A12, A13, A21, 22, 23, same A14, A24, A31, 32, 33, 34. In this way, if you want to write the order here, then see number of rows 1 2 3, it means we have 3 horizontal lines are here, and column 1 2 3 4 and 4 columns, then order is 3 into 4, and number of element is here 12. Clear? Suppose we have given here in this way 1 minus 2 5 2 minus 4 1, and here is asking what is the value of 822? 822 means second row, second column, common element. This one is a second row and this is second column, then its common element is -4, then A22 is -4. Same in this way, if A21 we want to write, then the second row, first column element is 2, then its value is here 2, and its order of A is here, we have the 2 rows and 3 columns. फर्स्टली तो मैं हर मैट्रिक्स के साथ ऑर्डर भी लिख रहा हूँ, नेक्स्ट टाइम जब प्रैक्टिस हो जाएगी तो ऑर्डर लिखने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी। क्लियर? नाउ सी द डेफिनेशन बेस्ड क्वेश्चन हियर। नाउ सी फर्स्ट इन द मैट्रिक्स A is given, write the order of matrix. Now see here, count the rows here, 1 2 3. These horizontal lines are called row here, then number of row is 3, and vertical lines are column here, and number of columns we have 4. Then order of matrix is 3 into 4, and number of elements multiply these two, we get 12. Now in the third part, write the element A13. All of you know A13 means first row and third column. A11, 12, 13. Third column, its element is 19 here. Same A21. A21 means second row, first column, its intersection element, common element is 35, and rest three part do it yourself. Okay? Clear? Now see next. If a matrix has 24 elements, what are the possible order it can have? 24 elements, तो 24 elements कैसे हो सकते हैं कि number of rows 1 हो जाए और column हो जाए 24. This is the possibility. Row to column 12, जैसे factors करते हैं ना उस वे से. And 24 पे 3 and column 8, 4 and column 6. And after that 6 rows, 4 column, 8 rows, 3 column, 12 rows, 2 column, 24 rows and 1 column. What if it has 13 elements? Then 1 into 13 or 13 into 1. Next part. If a matrix has 18 elements, what are the possible order it can have? What if it has 5 elements? Then this is for your homework. Do it yourself and check your answer from your book. Okay? Now noted. Now in the next part, construct a matrix. If any general element is given, if you want to construct the matrix, check in your question what is the order of the matrix. It depends upon the order. Now in this time, we want to construct a 2 into 2 matrix. Then matrix A, I will suppose here A11, A12, A21 and A22, these 4. Okay, I will find the values of A11, 12, 21, 22 one by one by filling I and J value here, and in last I will write complete in the matrix form. Now first I will write A11. A11 means I is 1, J is 1. Then when we will fill here, then 1 plus 1 square upon 2 means 1 plus 1 2, 2 square is 4, 4 upon 2 we get 2. Same 1 2, 1 2 means I value is 1, J value is 2 and square upon 2, 1 plus 2 3, 3 square is 9, then element is 9 upon 2. Next one is A21. A21 means I value is 2, J value is 1 square upon 2. Then 2 plus 1 3, 3 square is 9, 9 upon 2. And last element is here A22. I value is 2, J value is 2 and square upon 2. 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 square is 16, 16 upon 2 we get 8. At last we have the matrix here A equal to, first element is 2, 1 2 element is 9 upon 2, 2 1 element is 9 upon 2, and 2 2 element is 8. Clear? Now noted. Now in the next part, this one is second it is your homework, do it yourself. Now in the third, Aij. First I will suppose here matrix 2 into 2 means A11, A12, A21, A22. Okay, now A11. A11 means I value is 1, J value is 1. It means 1 plus 2 square upon 2, 1 plus 2 3, 3 square is 9, then A11 value is 9 upon 2. Next is A12. A12 when we will fill here, then 1, यहाँ 2 fill करेंगे, 2 into 2 4 upon 2, 1 plus 4 whole square means 5, 5 means 25 upon 2. A21. A21 means I value is 2, J value is 1. 1 into 2, we get here 2 upon 2 and square. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 square 16 upon 2, we get 8. And last is A22. A22 means I value is 2, J value is 2. 2 into 2, we get 4 square upon 2 means 36 upon 2, we get 18. It means A equal to 9 upon 2, 25 upon 2, 8 and 18. Now noted. Now in the next part, order of matrix is changed here. In this time we want to construct a matrix 3 into 4 order. Means 3 rows and 4 columns. First I will suppose here matrix here 3 rows. Means A11, A12, 13 and columns are 4 then up to 14 and 21, 22, 23, 24. 3-1, 3-2, 3-3, 3-4. In this time 3 rows and 4 columns. Carefully बनाना है 3 into 4 और 4 into 3. ओके, मिक्स नहीं करना. 2 into 2, 3 into 3 में कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. कई बार इसमें रिवर्स कर देते हैं कि ऑर्डर रोज और कॉलम को डिफरेंट इमेजिन कर लेते हैं, उसकी केयर करना. अब देखो क्या है. फर्स्ट वी विल फाइंड A11. A11 मीन्स I value is 1 and J value is 1. Then 3 into 1, 1 and plus 1. Minus 3 plus 1. It is mod minus 2 upon 2. Mod का means positive answer ही लेना है, means 1. A12. A12 means I value is 1 here. 3 into 1, 3 plus 2. J value is 2 here. Then we get minus 1 upon 2 means 1 upon 2. Next is A13. A13 means I value is 1 here, J value is 3 here. Then we get 0. A14. A14 means I value is 1 again and J value is 4 means we get 1 upon 2. Positive का mode positive ही रखना है. Next we will find here A21. A21 means I value is here now 2. Then 3 into 2 we get 6. Minus 6 plus 1 means mod minus 5 upon 2. We get 5 upon 2. After that A22. A22 means I value is 2 here and J value is 2 here. Then we get 3 into 2, 6. Minus 6 plus 2. Minus 4 upon 2 positive answer. Then 4 upon 2 is 2. A23 means I value is 2 now. We get minus 6 plus 3 means minus 3 upon 2 positive answer 3 upon 2. A24. A24 is minus 6 plus 4 means minus 2 upon 2 we get 1. Next is A31. A31 means I value is here 3. Then we get minus 9 plus 1 minus 8 mod upon 2 we get 4. A32. A32 means 1 upon 2. I value is 3. Then we get minus 9. J value is 2. Minus 7 upon 2 we get 7 upon 2. A33. A33 means 1 upon 2. Value of I is 3. Then minus 3. J value is 3 plus 3 means minus 6 upon 2 we get positive 3. And last is A34. A34 is 1 upon 2. Value of I is 3, then minus 9, J is 4. Then we get minus 5 upon 2. We get 5 upon 2. At last we will write in the matrix format. Then A11 value is 1, 1 upon 2, 0 and 1 upon 2. A21 value is 5 upon 2, again 2, 3 upon 2 and 1. Last line is 4, 7 upon 2, 3, 5 upon 2. Clear? Carefully करनी है calculation. Now in the second part, aij 2i minus j. This is for your homework. Do it yourself and check your answer. Okay. Now note it.